This is classic dart. Very simple, as you can see. Very simple. Today we're gonna test it out. Let's see here. If I can get back here. Doesn't really work well sometimes. Number 2. That was just kind of like a drop. And I'm gonna try it out for the 3rd time. That was the best. By the way, classic dart. Very simple. Again, classic dart. Not much. Still works.